Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. Every day, somewhere, someone starts a mobile detailing business. I'm starting to see more mobile detailers in my area, and competition is getting fierce. To stay competitive, I know that I have to keep the customers that I already have. I still have some of my customers from day one. I keep my customers by doing great work, of course, giving them great prices, and I've built relationships with my customers. Doing good work is a given. It's my goal to give customers great results every time. It doesn't just stop there. I offer convenience from the booking all the way to the payment. Good work doesn't mean anything without trust. See, my repeat customers trust me. They have been trusting me for several years, and it took time to gain their trust. They trusted I would do a great job, and most of all, they trust me with their property, and it's an honor to have that trust. My repeat customers are loyal, and because of their loyalty, I give them prices lower than I would charge a first-time customer. They need a routine services that keeps a constant cash flow throughout my business. I reward them for this consistency. They also recommend me to family and friends. That constant service keeps me in the eyes of neighbors and passerbys. Being seen builds trust immediately with the neighbors. Many of them know my name before I ever meet them. Over the years, I've built relationships with most of my customers, and most of the time it starts with small talk. The relationship isn't personal, but over time I gain information that I use to better serve my customers. For the most part, I try to be likable. I let them know some personal things about myself, and I'm always there to help in any way that I can. To retain your customers, you have to give them a reason to stay. Till next time, shouts out to the new wave. Peace.